everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cheyenne. For everyone who's new here, welcome. And as you can see by the title of this video, we will be doing my patio area, and I'm super excited. I just kept talking about doing this project and transforming this space, but my biggest thing was patio furniture. Patio furniture is expensive. Like, when I tell you I couldn't find anything under $1,000. Granted, I did want something that was, of course, sturdy and gonna last and nothing too cheap, but I didn't want to pay $5,000 as well. So I looked everywhere. I ended up finding something at, I think it was Lowe's or Home Depot, and it was like $1,600. And I was like, oh, that's a little expensive. But so I ended up, kept searching, and I ended up finding my patio set on Walmart.com, which I will link it to the description. But I'm super satisfied with my decision and how I transformed everything. It's just that I was going with when I was brainstorming and thinking how I wanted to create the space was creating my own personal oasis, and something where I can sit out on the patio and eat brunch or breakfast or drink a glass of wine. But I definitely feel like I accomplished that. So I'm super excited to show you the process and everything to get this space how I want it. And I think I may or may not add some things to it, but stay tuned and we will see what I did and seeing how I transformed this space. Please stay tuned and please remember to like, share, subscribe. But yes, I am super excited, so let's go. Okay, so you guys just see me bring this chair or the box out of the garage, and it's the egg chair from Walmart. And I was so motivated. I was like, I can do this. Just a quick backstory. I'm not the greatest builder. I cannot put stuff together. But when I seen it, I'm like, it's only 4 pieces. How hard could it be? I got this. So you see me, I'm just putting it together, reading the directions, screwing everything in. But for some reason, the second piece to put on top would not stay. I could not get this piece together for nothing. But I definitely get an A for effort because I tried, but not thinking as I put this together, how am I going to get it outside? I tried, guys. I tried. So, of course, my husband had to come in and save the day. And little KJ wanted to try and help. He thought he was so strong. And my daughter loves boxes. So, yeah, I definitely had to keep this for a little bit for her to play in. But here we go. Back to doing the second piece. I don't know how he got this one so easy. But, hey, he did it. And they're my babies. They love big boxes. I don't know about you guys, but even for Christmas, they would rather play in the boxes. I'm pretty sure we all seen this TikTok DIY with the Dollar Tree bowls. I think I did 6 bowls on one and 8 bowls on the other, give or take. But however high that you want to stack them, it's your preference. But yep, I got these from the dollar store, and I'm just using E6000 glue and hot glue. So this is the before. This is what we're working with. This is our patio area. We have a fire pit built in on the side. I always say for outdoor spaces, just to get a fresh, clean slate, is to power wash. You always want to start with this a clean, fresh space. If it's just me, but I like to just look at the space and get the vision in my head how I want everything to look, and then once I get it, I got it, and I get to work. This is a perfect example of trial and error. I put that rug on top of the other one, and no, I thought it was actually bigger than what it was, so I definitely end up moving that. You see, my husband, he knows not to mess me when I'm in my zone. It's just a hi and bye. But yeah, this rug, I definitely I end up moving it. And as you can see, like some of my patio furniture is brown at the top and the other is black. Yes, I spray painted. I know if my colors don't match, I'm going to spray paint it, and it's brand new. But I only spray painted the bottom half and like the sides, and I'm eventually going to spray paint that table as well. You'll see further in the video. And that little rug, that brown rug that's on top of the black and white one that's going to get moved, is from TJ Maxx. as you can see in this portion of the video, I had already spray painted the sides of my table. I probably should have did the inside too. I didn't even think of doing the inside for some reason. But I also did the 3 bar stools that it came with as well, as you can see here. And I just put the cushions right on top. But the black looks so much better than that brown. So this is the Scotchgard Heavy Duty Water Shield, and I like this because it protects the furniture, especially light colored furniture like this. You just want that extra layer of protection, even though it is durable outdoor patio furniture. This just helps clean it up and everything. So right here, my husband is using the power hammer drill thingy with the cement drill bits, and it's used for hanging up the curtains. So instead of using the normal curtain rods, I decided to use PCV pipes and the J hooks. This cost about not even $8 at Home Depot or Lowe's, one of the two. They both have them. So yeah, here I am again doing all the work per usual.